Good morning children. Today's our topic is about longitudes. Okay, last class we discussed about globe, about latitudes, which are the important latitudes and major heat zones of the earth. Okay, let us discuss today's topic. So today's topic is about longitudes. So what is a longitude or what are longitudes, children? Longitude is the angular distance between the prime meridian and any place east or west of it. You understood anything? Okay, in simple way I will tell you children what is longitude. Okay, I will draw the picture of longitude so it will be very easy. Okay, longitude is the vertical lines drawn on globe. Okay, vertical lines or the imaginary lines, vertical lines drawn on globe that will connect North Pole and South Pole is known as longitudes. Okay, so what is longitude, children? Vertical lines drawn on globe. Okay, vertical lines drawn on globe and it will connect North Pole and South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. Okay, that is known as longitudes. Okay, longitudes are also known as meridians of longitudes. Meridians of longitudes. Okay children, so longitudes are also known as meridians of longitude. Okay children, I will show you in the globe. You can see the globe. Okay, many vertical lines are there in the globe. Okay, many vertical lines are there in the globe. This is known as longitude. Okay, I think you got an idea children. Okay, then longitudes are measured, each longitudes are measured in degree. Each longitudes are measured in degree. Okay, these degrees are divided into hours and hours again divided into minutes and minutes again divided into second. Okay, then you know each longitude, you can look children, each longitudes are same in length. Okay, so it is very difficult to decide a particular longitude as 0 degree longitude. We discussed no children last class latitude, 0 degree latitude is known as equator. So it is very difficult, no, every longitudes are same, so it is very difficult to decide which is the 0 degree longitude. So as per the international agreement in 1884, as per the international agreement by the different countries in 1884, a particular longitude they decided or they selected as 0 degree longitude. Got children? In 1884, as per the international agreement, every country is together, they decided to select 0 degree longitude. Okay, that 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. Okay, so 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. Okay, prime meridian. Prime meridian or Greenwich line. Prime meridian or Greenwich line. Prime meridian or Greenwich line. Okay children, so why this 0 degree longitude is known as Greenwich line? Do you know? Because this longitude, 0 degree longitude, that is passes through a Royal Astronomical Center. A Royal Astronomical Center, a research center in Greenwich in London. So it is known as Greenwich line. Okay, that is why this prime meridian or 0 degree longitude is known as Greenwich line. Okay children, I think you got an idea. Clear? Then we will look the globe children. You can see the globe. Okay, 0 degree longitude. These are known as longitudes. Okay, then 0 degree longitude, 0 degree longitude that divide the earth into 2 equal halves. Okay, we discussed in last class latitude, 0 degree latitude divide the earth into 2 equal halves. Okay, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. In the same way, 0 degree longitude also divide, prime meridian divide earth into two equal halves. Okay, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Got children? Western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So from 0 degree to 180 degree west. Okay, 0 degree to 180 degree west will be there and 0 degree to 180 degree east will be there. So total 360 degree longitudes are there. Okay, one portion 180 degree west. Okay, another portion 180 degree east. Together 360 degree longitudes are there. Okay, 360 degree longitudes are there. Okay, I think children you got. Okay, one side 180 degree, another side 180 degree, total 360 degree longitudes are there. Clear? Then we will look children, these longitudes, no children, these longitudes are mainly used for calculating time. For calculating time, longitudes are mainly used. Okay, last class we studied no latitudes. Okay, just I will draw latitudes also in this picture. Okay, then these are latitudes. Last class already we discussed. Okay children, you can look children, these latitudes and longitudes, they will intersect each other. Okay, longitudes and latitudes will intersect. That is, you can see now children, this point, this is known as grid. Okay, longitudes and latitudes intersect each other. That point is called grid. Okay, I think you got an idea. Can we go to our next topic? Okay, our next topic is about how we can calculate the local time. Already ma'am discussed no, longitudes are mainly used for calculating time. Okay, you know children, earlier time, past days, how we calculated the time. We looked based on the seasons, different seasons, changing in season, and otherwise we look the phases of moon. Okay, sometimes we look the shadow. Okay, based on the shadow, you know afternoon the shadow will be shortest, and evening and morning the shadow will be longest. Okay, based on the shadow and all, we calculated the time. Okay, but later we know children, we decided a particular, based on the longitude we decided to calculate the time. Okay, let us discuss how local time will be calculated on the basis of longitudes. Okay, already you know children, each longitude, I told no, each longitudes are explained in the form of or measured in terms of degree. Each longitudes are measured in forms of degree. Okay, each longitude distance is 15 degree. Understood children? Each longitude distance is 15 degree, then 15 degree, 30 degree, okay, 45 degree, like that. Okay, so each longitude distance is 15 degree. I think you got children. Clear? In this 15 degree, no children, each degree, 1 degree, each 15 degree means you know 15 minutes will be there, no? In this 15 degree, 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. Okay, in this 15 degree, 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. Okay, then just tell me children, what about the 15 degree? 15 into 4. Okay, 15 into 4. Just calculate it. 60 minutes. Okay, so each longitude how much minute children? 60 minutes. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So each 15 degree means 1 hour. Clear children? So what about the distance of each longitude? 15 degree. 15 degree equal to 1 hour. Okay, in this 15 degree, 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. So total 15 degree equal to 1 hour. I think you got children. Like that children, 1 hour distance. Okay, 360 degrees are there, that you know, total longitude 360 degree longitude. Okay, 360 degree longitude equal to 24 hours. Okay. 24 hours, like that many longitudes are there. If we are counting the number of longitude children, 24 longitudes are there. That 24 longitude shows 24 hours. Okay, so this longitude is mainly used for calculating time. I think you got children. 24 longitudes, that shows 24 hours. Clear? And these 24 longitudes, that 24 hours, you know children, it is divided into 12 hours and 12 hours. Okay, that interval. 12 hours and 12 hour interval. Okay, 12 hours before noon. 12 hours before noon is known as anti-meridian. Anti-meridian or AM. Okay. And 12 hours, you know, 12 hours it will be afternoon. Okay, in Latin it is known as post meridian or PM. We are using children AM, PM, so you know. Okay, so we are telling the morning time, if time is 7 o'clock, then what we will tell? Time is 7 AM. Okay, sometime night 8 o'clock, what we will tell? 8 PM. Clear children? So this is the term we used for this AM, expansion of that AM and PM, anti-meridian and post-meridian. Clear children? So I think children you got an idea, okay, how local time is calculated. Okay, now we will look in the case of India. Okay, how time is calculated in India. Okay, how local time is calculated in India, not only India children. Every country for calculating time, no children, they will take a standard meridian. Okay, for example, I will tell India. Okay, in India we know children, many longitudes are there. Okay, this area we know Gujarat. Okay, this side of India, Gujarat. Okay, then these end, you know, 7 northeastern states are there. Okay, then this area Arunachal Pradesh, eastern end, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so many longitudes are passing through India. Okay, then Arunachal Pradesh, one longitude is there, then here one longitude is there, here one longitude is there. So means here one longitude and here one longitude is there children. So the difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, if we are calculating in degree, it will be 30 degree. I told no, 30 degree. Two longitudes are there. Two longitudes difference, you know, one longitude different 15 degree, another one 15 degree. So two longitude will be 30 degree. So longitudinal distance from here to here will be 30 degree. Okay. So for calculating time, if we are taking one particular longitude, means children, time will be different. Okay, in Gujarat it will be one time, sometime Arunachal Pradesh another time. So it is good children, in the same country following different time. Is there any problem for you, different time in the same country? Yeah, surely. Okay, time, if time is different means so many problems will be there. It will affect many exams, national level exam, radio, TV programs, like that many problem will be there. Okay, so to avoid such type of confusion in time, we decide every country is decided to select a standard meridian. Okay, so for avoiding this type of time confusion, every countries are decided to take a particular longitude as calculating time. That is known as standard meridian. Okay, standard meridian. So India took a standard meridian for calculating time. Our standard meridian is 82.5 degree east. Okay, we selected a particular longitude for calculating the time. That is 82.5 degree east. East, that don't forget children, east must be there. Okay. So why? Because we are in eastern hemisphere. Okay, from 0 degree Greenwich line to you know Greenwich line will divide Earth into two equal halves. I told no, one portion will be eastern hemisphere, other portion will be western hemisphere. Okay, so we are in eastern hemisphere, so we have to write E. 82.5 degree east is selected as the standard meridian of India. Clear children? Now do you know why this longitude is selected as the standard meridian of India? Because it passes through the central part, almost the central part of India. Okay, so like this one longitude is selected as the standard meridian. Standard meridian of India. So question will come, children. Which is the standard meridian of India? Tell me. 82.5 degree east. Once again tell me. 82.5 degree east. Clear, children? Okay. So it passes through almost the middle part of India. So we selected this longitude as our standard meridian. Okay. The standard meridian is passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. I think, children, you got an idea. So based on this standard meridian, local time or our time is calculated. Clear? I think you got, children. Okay. Then you know, children, London 0 degree longitude. Okay, that is known as Greenwich meridian. So what is the difference between Indian time and the Greenwich time? It will be 5 hours and 30 minutes. 5 hours and 30 minutes. Just we will count the longitudes, okay, up to 82.5 degree east. How much longitude will be there? Based on that we will count, and that later we will convert that degree into hours. Okay, in that way we will calculate the time, and 5 hours and 30 minutes. That is the difference between Indian time and Greenwich time. Okay, children, got? Okay, now one question. Now 6 a.m. in India. Okay, in India time is 6 a.m. Okay, then what about the time in London? What about? We are in eastern hemisphere. Okay, children, when we are moving from Greenwich line to eastern direction, okay, eastern hemisphere, time will increase. Okay, time will increase. When we are moving from Greenwich line to eastern hemisphere, time will increase, means time will be ahead. Okay, when we are moving from Greenwich line to western hemisphere or western side, time will decrease. Okay, western hemisphere, time will decrease. Okay, so now in London, okay, London it is 7 o'clock. Just I will tell London it is 6 a.m. Then just to calculate the time. What about the time difference between London time and Indian time? Okay, you know the difference between Indian time and London time, that is 5 hours and 30 minutes. So just to calculate the time and tell me. 6 a.m. Then we are in which hemisphere? Which is the standard meridian of India? 82.5 degree east. So we are in which hemisphere? Eastern hemisphere. From Greenwich line to eastern hemisphere. We are going from Greenwich line to eastern hemisphere. What will happen to time? Time will increase. Okay. So you know the difference between Greenwich time and Indian time, that is 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. That 5 hours and 30 minutes will increase or decrease? We are in eastern hemisphere. Tell me, time will increase or decrease? Time will increase. Okay. So what about the time? 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12:30. Okay. 12:30. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 11:30. Time will be 11:30 a.m. Okay, children, so that is the difference between Indian time and Greenwich time. We are 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead. Okay, time will increase from Greenwich line. If we are moving from Greenwich line to eastern direction, time will increase. Okay, when we are moving from 0 degree or Greenwich line to western direction, time will decrease. Okay, so what is the time difference between Indian time and Greenwich time? 5 hours and 30 minutes. Clear, children? Okay. Let us discuss 2 more longitude. I will give 2 more longitude. How we can find out how the time calculation in these 2 longitude. Okay. What is the time difference between these 2 longitude? Okay. Now in India, time is 7 a.m. Okay. Just we will calculate what will be the time in a longitude including 30 degree west. What will be the time difference between a longitude that is selected 30 degree west and in India's time is 7 am. What we will do for calculating or find out the time difference in this longitude? First we want to convert this longitude into hours. Okay, this degree first we want to convert into hours. For example, 30 degree that you know degree is 30 degree. Each 1 degree equal to 4 minutes, that you know 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. So first we will multiply this 30 degree into 4 minutes. Okay, then you got a 120. Then what we will do? We will divide this 120. Okay, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. No, divide this 120 into 60 minutes. Okay. Then we will get 260 equal to 120. So we will get 2. So we got, children, how much time difference? It will be 2 hours. Time difference will be 2 hours. You got, children? 2 hours will be the time difference. So this 30 degree west time we understood the difference between Indian time, India and 30 degree west longitude. The difference will be 2 hours. That we calculated and we find out. Okay, next what we want to look, whether that longitude is in west or east. Okay, if that longitude is in west, then what will happen? Time will decrease. Okay, if that longitude or that particular country is in eastern side, means time will increase. Okay, here I given which longitude? 30 degree west. So time will decrease. So in India it is 7 am. So what will be the time in this longitude? 30 degree west, a country, just imagine a country with 30 degree west. We want to decrease 2 hours. Okay, already we calculated the time difference will be 2 hours. So we have to decrease. Then what will be? 6 am, then 5 am. Okay, time will be 5 am. We want to minus or decrease the time. 2 hours we want to decrease. Okay, so in this longitude time will be 5 am. Okay, can we take another example? We will take another example. A country in India time is 6 am. In India time is 6 am. Okay, then what about the time difference? Okay, a longitude 60 degree east. So what we will do? First we want to find out how many hours are there in this 60 degree. Okay, so what we will do? We will multiply this 60 degree with 1 degree. 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. So we want to multiply this 60 degree with 4 minutes. Okay, then we will get 240. Then what we will do? After that we will divide this 240 into 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Okay, clear, children? So 460 equal to 240. Now we understood what is the time difference or the how much hour difference between India and this east longitude. 4 hours will be there. Okay, so we got 4 hours. Then what we will do? Next step is, we will look whether that country is in which hemisphere, eastern hemisphere or western hemisphere. Okay, so we know here 60 degree east. So east means what will happen to time? Time will increase. So we have to add 4 hours. Clear, children? So in India it is 6 am. So we have to add 4 more hours. 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? So the time will be 10 am. Got, children? I think first example sometime you didn't get anyway. Once again I told another example. So it will be clear. Okay, this is the method actually, children. But you can use another method also. In simple way we can do 30 degree. Just we will look how many 15s are there. 15 plus 15 equal to 30. Okay, so each 15 means you know, each 15 means 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour plus 1 hour, 2 hours. Simple method we can do, but you must know this also. Okay, So we can understand no 2 hours. Then 60 degree, that also we can look 60 degree. Okay, just we will change another. 45 degree. How many 15 will be there? 15 plus 15 equal to 45. So how many 15s are there? Each 15 equal to 1 hour. How many 15s are there? 1, 2, 3. So what will be the time? 3 hours. 3 hours will be there in between 45 degree longitudes. Clear? I think children you understood. Okay, regarding this portion any doubt is there, you can call me or you can send a message. Okay, I will clear it. Anyway, I think you got an idea about how time is calculated. Okay children, now one more small portion is there for us, that is about the international dateline. International dateline. Okay, already you know children, we discussed 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. Just opposite of 0 degree longitude, just opposite 180 degree longitude is there. Just opposite of 0 degree longitude, here 180 degree longitude is there. Okay children, this is 180 degree longitude. Okay, this 180 degree longitude is known as international dateline. International dateline. So don't be confused. Many latitude we discussed. Okay, about 2 longitudes only we are telling. 0 degree longitude and 180 degree longitude. Okay, 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian or Greenwich line. 180 degree longitude is known as international dateline. International dateline. I will show you children. In the globe you can see which is international dateline. Okay, this is international dateline. I will draw this. Okay, with this chalk. International dateline. Okay, just while drawing time you can see children. Okay, this is the international dateline. Okay, very longitudes you can see children. Very longitudes are straight lines. Okay, vertical lines. But any change did you see in international dateline? Just look at any changes. Okay, sometime in globe you can't see. Anyway, I will tell children, international dateline is not a straight line. All other longitudes are straight line, but international longitudes is not a straight line. Do you know why this international dateline only not straight line? Every longitudes are straight line. Why? Because this international dateline, no children, if we are crossing this international dateline, 1 day time difference will be there. Okay, from international dateline to 0 degree eastern hemisphere is there, and from 180 degree means international dateline to eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, both will be there. Okay, if we are crossing this international dateline and if I am going from international dateline to eastern direction, I will gain 1 day. Okay, if I am crossing this international dateline and I am going to western hemisphere, I will lose 1 day. Understood children? Means in between this international dateline, now if we are crossing the international dateline, 1 day difference will come. Okay, suppose it is international dateline and okay, if it is this international dateline I am crossing. Okay, I decided to cross this international dateline. Okay, I am moving to the eastern side of the international dateline. Means I will gain 1 day. Okay, I will gain 1 day. If I decided no, I will go to western side, then what will happen? I will lose 1 day. Okay, so this only children. It is international dateline, no? The difference between international and international dateline, there will be eastern and western side, there will be 1 day difference. Okay, so if this international dateline that is drawn through any country, what will happen? Same country, sometime one area will be day and one area will be night. Clear? Okay, so this international dateline is not touching any country. Okay, it is drawn through ocean. Okay, that is why this is not a straight line. International dateline is not touching any country. If touch means I told. Okay, if this is Russia, sometime if it passes in between Russia means this area of Russia will be another day and this portion will be another day. One day difference will come. So without touching any country, this international date line is drawn through ocean. Okay children, I think you got an idea about this chapter. Okay, our latitude and longitude chapter over. I think clear. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Bye.